Welcome to Eassiy Official. Today we'll introduce you to two powerful tools, Remo Recovery and Eassiy Data Recovery. We'll walk you through how to use each one and highlight their pros and cons. Let's get started. Remo Recover software. Remo Recover is a comprehensive data recovery software designed to retrieve lost, deleted, or corrupted files from various storage devices, including hard drives, SD cards, and USB drives. How to use Remo Recover software. Visit the Remo Recover website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Open Remo Recover and select the type of recovery. Choose the drive or partition where you lost your data. Click on the Scan button to start the scanning process. Once the scan is complete, preview the recoverable files, select the ones you need, and click Recover to save them to a new location. Eassiy Data Recovery. Eassiy Data Recovery is a user-friendly tool that helps you recover deleted or lost files from computers, hard drives, USB drives, and other storage media. It's known for its efficiency and ease of use. How to use Eassiy Data Recovery. Go to the Eassiy Data Recovery website, download the software, and install it on your system. Launch Eassiy Data Recovery and select the file types you want to recover. Select the location where the files were last seen. Click on the Scan button to begin the scanning process. After scanning, review the list of recoverable files, select the desired files, and click Recover to save them to a secure location. It supports a wide range of file types and storage devices with advanced scanning options, but its interface can be a bit complex for beginners and the full version can be expensive. Eassiy Data Recovery. It has simple and intuitive user interface. It has two scan mode, Quick Scan and Deep Scan. The Deep Scan can scan most of the data and its recovery success rate is as high as 98.6%. However, it requires a fee to use. Or Eassiy Data Recovery is cheaper than Remo. While both tools are effective, we recommend Eassiy Data Recovery for its user-friendly interface and efficient performance, making it ideal for users who need a quick and easy solution for data recovery. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.